comma b are the roots of the equation x square plus 2ax minus b square is equal to 0, and the ordinates of a comma b are the roots of y square plus 2py minus q square is equal to 0. Then find the equation of the circle for which AB bar is a diameter. Find the equation of the circle for which AB bar is a diameter. We have to find the equation of circle. To that circle, AB is the diameter. We want to find the equation of the circle with AB as diameter. Okay. So given that abscissa of the a comma b points are the roots of the first equation and ordinates of the points are roots of the second equation. So first we take the points a comma b as, let a is equals to x1 y1 and b is equals to x2 y2. So first we are taking the 2 points as a is equal to x1 y1 and b is equal to x2 y2. Now what is the first condition? Abscissa of a comma b are the roots of this equation. What are the abscissa of a comma b? X coordinates of a comma b. So x1 y1, x1 x2. x1 x2 are the abscissa of the points a comma b. That is, given that x1 x2 are the roots of the equation, x1 x2 are roots of the equation x square plus 2ax minus b square equal to 0. So this is the given condition. x1 x2 are the roots of the equation. So what is the sum of the roots formula? Sum of the roots is equals to minus b by a, minus x quotient x square quotient, and product of the roots is equals to minus b square. That is x1 plus x2. Sum of the roots is equals to minus x quotient by x square quotient. That is minus 2a by 1 is equals to minus 2a. And product of the roots means x1 into x2 is equal to constant by x square quotient c by a. That is minus b square by 1 is equals to minus b square. So x1 plus x2 is equal to minus 2a, x1 into x2 is equal to minus b square. And next, the ordinates of a comma b are the roots of the equation y square plus 2py minus q square is equals to 0. So ordinates means y coordinates of these 2 points, that is y1 y2. So y1 y2 are the roots of the second equation. So similarly, we take the values of y1 plus y2 and y1 y2 to that equation also. That is y1 plus y2 is equal to minus 2p by 1 and y1 into y2 is equal to minus q square by 1. Now these are the values of x1 plus x2 and x1 x2, y1 plus y2 and y1 y2. That is y1 here y1 plus y2 is equals to y1 plus y2 is equals to minus 2p and y1 y2 is equals to minus q square. Now then find the equation of the circle with AB as diameter. So A is equal to x1 y1, B is equal to x2 y2. Then what is the equation of the circle formula? Equation of the circle with x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the ends of the diameter. Then equation of circle is formula x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. Now in that equation, we are substituting these 4 values to get the required answer. That's all. So y1 y2 are the roots of the equation y square plus 2py minus q square is equal to 0. Then y1 plus y2 is equal to minus 2p by 1, that is minus y quotient by y square quotient, and y1 y2 is equal to constant by y square quotient minus q square by 1, that is y1 plus y2 is equal to minus 2p and y1 into y2 is equal to minus q square. Therefore the equation of the circle with x1 y1 and x2 y2 as the extremes of the diameter is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. In the next step we are taking the product of these values, which implies x into x square minus x into x1 minus x x1 plus x into x2 minus x x2 minus x1 minus x2 plus x1 x2 plus y into y square minus these 2 values y y1 again these 2 values minus y y2 plus y1 into y2 y1 y2 equals to 0, which implies x square minus x1 minus x2, taking minus x common, minus x into x1 plus x2 plus x1 x2 plus y square minus y1 minus y2, taking minus y1 common, minus y1 into y1 plus y2 plus y1 y2 equals to 0. And already we have the values of x1 plus x2, x1, x2, y1 plus y2, y1, y2. So we are substituting those four values in this equation. Then it becomes x square minus x into x1 plus x2. x1 plus x2 value minus 2a plus x1, x2. x1, x2 value minus b square plus y square minus y into y1 plus y2. y1 plus y2 value minus 2p plus b square y1 y2 value minus q square is equal to 0, which implies x square plus 2ax minus b square plus y square plus 2py minus q square is equals to 0. Minus of minus becomes plus, minus of minus becomes plus, which implies x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2py minus b square minus q square equals to 0, which is the required answer. Next definition, concentric circles. Concentric circles means two or more circles having same center with different radii are called the concentric circles. That is, so first we take one circle. This is the first circle with center C and radius equals to 1. Again, we are taking the second circle with the same center C and with radius is equals to 2. Now these two circles are called the concentric circles since the two circles have the same center with different radius values. That is, two or more circles which having the same center with different radii are called the concentric circles. Two or more circles having same center with different radii are called the concentric circles. Here the radius of the first circle is equal to 1 and the radius of the second circle is equal to 1, but both of the circles having the same center C. So these two circles are called the concentric circles. And next definition, next one, equation of a circle concentric with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is of the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus k equal to 0. Equation of a circle concentric with the first one is in this form. That is, the two concentric circles differ by only constant and the remaining four terms are same in both of the equations. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus k equal to 0. The two equations differ by only constant. The constant is different in both of the equations and the remaining all terms are same. Next problem. Find the equation of the circle which is concentric with x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 and passing through the point minus 2, 14. Equation of circle concentric with the given circle. So concentric circle with the given circle is of the form x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0. So concentric circles differ by only constant and the remaining four terms are same. Therefore given circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 and concentric circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0. Now the circle passing through the point minus 2, 14. So substituting minus 2, 14 point in this equation. So taking x, y is equals to minus 2, 14. That is minus 2 whole square plus 14 whole square minus 6 into minus 2 minus 4 into 14 plus k is equal to 0. That is 4 plus 196 plus 12 minus 56 plus k is equal to 0. 196 plus 4, 200 plus 12. 212 minus 56 plus k is equal to 0. 212 minus 56, 156 plus k equal to 0. that is k is equal to minus 156. Therefore, Rickword circle is x square plus pi square minus 66 minus 4 by k. K value minus 156. Minus 156 is equal to 0. That's all.